Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 6th August 2021. Today, Nifty made a high of 16,350 and a low of 16,210 thereabouts. We have a doji being formed in the process of the day's trade today. So, any long positions tomorrow? Tomorrow is a big event day. The RBI credit policy will be out at 10 a.m. So, if Nifty can take out 16,350 on the upside, then we can see further life highs. Or in case it breaks 16,200 tomorrow, there will be a short 1 to 3 days kind of correction in the market. Any downward correction should result in the formation of a higher low. Series till such time 16,200 and 16,300 are not taken out. Consider the trend to be sideways and do not short the market or go long unless it crosses 16,350 on the upside. Again, moving on to short-term charts in Nifty, we can see that Nifty has made a significant top at 16,350 levels. Any dip, a 50-60 point dip in Nifty is a good buying opportunity with a stop loss below 16,200. Better thing is to wait for a couple of hours and see whether 16,200 is taken out on the downside or not. If 16,200 holds, then one can re-enter with a stop below 16,200. Moving on to Bank Nifty, I think because of the expiry, 36,000 held today in spite of Bank Nifty closing above 36,000 yesterday. Now, tomorrow being a big ticket day for banks with the RBI credit policy, any favorable decision from the RBI, especially the commentary which comes after 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, will see the direction of the Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty sustains about 36,000, then 36,500 to 700 are the probable targets on the upside for Bank Nifty. Any dip below today's low will be a short correction for Bank Nifty, I think, which will end up eventually in the formation of a higher low somewhere around 35,300, 35,500 levels in Bank Nifty. For short-term traders in Bank Nifty, it has to take out 36,100 to go long in Bank Nifty. If today's low, that is 35,700, is broken down on the downside, then one can consider going short in Bank Nifty for a target of 35,400, 500 on the downside. Since credit policy is there tomorrow, till such time the credit policy is out and that volatility dies down, I advise people not to enter into Bank Nifty. Moving on to stocks in my watch list, Britannia is a buy. FMCG has started moving up, hence Britannia is one among the favorites. So is Chola Finance, as all finance companies are doing well. And the third stock is JSW Steel. All metal stocks are doing well, but it's a matter of choice that I selected JSW Steel. Go long in the stocks if market is stable, or else if the market is falling, wait for the market to pause and then enter the market. I am telling this as tomorrow is always great policy day. Moving on to derivatives data. Nifty ended higher by 36 points to close at 16,294. Fresh longs were initiated in Nifty as Nifty was up 0.22% and open interest moving up by 5%. Nifty PCR is at 1.65. Put rating is seen at 16,300 and at 16,200. Call buildup is seen at 16,300 levels. Bank Nifty ended lower by 193 points to close at 36,835. Sorry, it should be 35,835. Fresh shorts were seen in Bank Nifty as it fell 0.5% and open interest moving up by 5%. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.97. Minor short buildup was seen by FIIs in today's index trade. Maybe because of RBI policy, they have opened some shorts in Bank Nifty as a hedge. They sold indices worth 367 crores and their open interest going up by 3,326 contracts. Market breadth was neutral. VIX was mildly lower at 12.87. FII activity report for 5th August 2021. It is interesting to note that 16,300 has almost equal number of puts and calls written. Canara Bank, Indiabulls Housing Finance, RBL Bank, and Sun TV are the securities that are in bank for trade tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Good night.